In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Odoo subscription. Whether you've finished your trial or simply decided not to renew, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's walk through each step together. First, you'll need to log into your Odoo account. Head over to odoo.com, where you'll find the login button usually at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your credentials as prompted to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should see your profile icon again in the top right part of the screen. It's easy to recognize, often featuring your profile photo or initials. Click on that icon and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu that helps you manage your account. Next, you'll want to navigate either to My Account or Manage Databases. The name of this section might vary depending on the version of Odoo you are using, but essentially, you're looking for the page where your databases are listed. This is the hub for managing your various data instances, active or otherwise. Once you reach this section, take a moment to locate the specific database that you want to cancel, whether it's a trial version or an active one. Now, it's time to dive into the details. Look for the Settings gear icon next to the database you want to remove. This gear icon is typically small, but it's crucial for accessing the management options you need. Click on it, and you'll see an option to delete your instance. By choosing this option, you're initiating the cancellation of your database. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so ensure it's truly what you want to do before proceeding. Your data and any customizations will be permanently removed from your account. Finally, after selecting Delete, you may be asked to confirm your decision. This is a security measure to make sure that no accidental deletions occur. Once you've confirmed, the database will be removed from your account, and just like that, your subscription with Odoo is canceled. It's important to remember that by canceling your subscription, you're essentially cutting off access to any services or benefits provided under this particular plan. So, double-check that you've saved or exported any important data you might need in the future before finalizing your cancellation. And there you go. With these few steps, you've successfully canceled your Odoo subscription. If you ever decide to return, you'll need to start fresh as your previous configuration won't be recoverable. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. Feel free to replay this section if you need another walkthrough. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope you find the right suite of tools for your needs. Until next time.